Buy a can of bully beef or corned beef. Buy a pack of macaroni pasta. Dice half of an onion. Mash a garlic to puree. You can cook with the Scotch bonnet pepper or not. Chop half-inch piece of a ginger with skin. Chop the scallion like this. Boil 2 cups of macaroni in some water for 6 to 7 minutes to tenderize it. Add a pinch of salt. Drain the water at the end. Put a dry pot on medium heat. Add a little bit of cooking oil. Saute the vegetable seasonings with the ginger like this. Stir in the bully beef. Do it like this. Turn the flame on low and then add the cooked macaroni. Stir in. I am using my grandmother's cooking spoon. She's 90 at almost 100. I am cooking with half of a Scotch bonnet pepper. If cooking tomato, dice a plummy and add it now. Add a little bit of water or not. Allow it to cook for a minute and finish. Children love to eat macaroni and bully beef with rice. For the detail, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.